Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to add shadow in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to put a drop shadow on Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To add a shadow in Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, create a new design or open an existing one where you want to apply the shadow effect. I am going to add a shadow to this image, elements, and text in my design. To add a drop shadow to any elements or images in Canva, click on the graphic element or picture that you want to apply the shadow to. Once the element is selected, click on Edit from the top toolbar. After clicking Edit, scroll down on the left panel to the Effects section. Under the Effects section, find and tap on Shadows. Here, you will see different shadow styles like drop, glow, angle, curved, outline, and more. Choose the one that fits your design. Once the shadow style is selected, some setting options will be visible at the bottom. You can adjust the size of the shadow or outline, blur or distance, change the shadow color, and more. Make changes until you are satisfied with how it looks. To add a shadow effect to the text in a Canva design, click on the text box where you want to add the shadow effect. Once the text is selected, click on Effects from the top toolbar. This will open a panel on the left side with different text effect options. From the Shadow Styles panel, choose a style like Shadow, Hollow, Outline, Neon, Glitch, or the one you like. Once selected, Canva will automatically apply a default shadow to your text. You will then see different customization options. You can control the offset of the shadow, the angle of the shadow, distance, transparency, and blur level, or choose the color for the text shadow. Now your image, text, or element has a drop shadow, giving it a more professional and visually appealing look in your Canva design.